Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a video for you on these new products from Sassy Sauce Polish releasing in the month of November. Katie from Sassy Sauce Polish sent me her newest nail polish collection, and she is also releasing a new scent for her whipped body butter. It's in the scent of pistachio pudding and it's absolutely gorgeous. I want to eat that thing. And she also sent me her cuticle caviar in the pineapple scent. I actually already used up one of her caviar cuticle treatments and I absolutely love it. So I have high hopes for this one as well. And it also smells delicious. And of course, as each month, she is also releasing some new nail polishes. These are more holiday oriented, but she doesn't necessarily names her nail polishes or nail polish collections. So thank you so much, Carrie, for sending me everything. I love every single thing in this collection, and I would highly recommend you both the polishes and the nail and body treatment. And I will leave for you everything in the description box, so all the details will be there. But if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate that a lot. Alright, now I will jump into the swatch portion. I think that's it. So thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
Is right here. Well, I've got news a part of me.